Welcome to a toy a day. It's me, Nickel the Pickle. Birds from around the worlds. I did no research on what we're gonna get, so let's just see what we're gonna get. Hey, alright. It's a cool looking bird. Hey, it has a little piece of chest hair. If you know what kind of bird this is, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. I just know it's that guy right there. Looks like he's gonna have a pretty speckled looking egg. Ooh, that is just nice. I like that green color. Oh man, this is gonna be a tough one. I'm gonna have to get knife. Knife. Got him. Gonna have to just knife its head off. Look at that speckled egg. I don't know if you could hear it, but my alarm to get up in the morning is going off. I'm just leaving it. What a delightful little blue bird with a yellow chest and a little chest hair and a green back. Look at his wings back here. A little pooper. What a nice little bird. Adorable. Here's the scientific name. You know, if you're really interested, I'll put the type of bird it is in the description. I believe I have in the past as well. That's a cool looking card too. I like how, I mean, the toy is so small, the card is very small as well. It works. You won't want this gigantic card being bigger than the toy. Once again, I love these little birds. Very nice. Very, very nice. This one's going up on the new shelf. I like this one. It's my favorite one so far. Alright, let's hit it with the black light. You thought I was going to say the toy a day. Let's hit it with the black light. Hey, look at his wings back there. They shine up a little bit. Other than that, nothing really. I forgot to leave the egg out. Oh yeah, look, there's the egg shining. Put it back in there. Cool. Cool. Alright, that's gonna do it. Remember, toy a day keeps squirrels away. We'll see you tomorrow.